Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I have a quick Sephora haul. I did pick up some products that I ran out of, so I needed to get them back into my routine because I have been missing them so much. And I also have a few new releases in this haul as well. So if you would like to see the products that I picked up, just keep on watching. Guys, so I hope that you guys are all doing great today. I am finally catching up on my life. May is feeling way better than April so far. So I have some new releases, some products that I had to get back into my routine. There is PR mixed in here. If you watch my hauls, you know that I always mention the products that were received in PR. I do like to show them in my hauls because if I didn't receive them in PR, I would probably be getting them myself because I just love shopping at Sephora and I love trying all the new releases. So the first products that I'm going to be talking about, we're going to start off with like body care because I have 3 fragrance mists and I also have a body oil that I'm very excited to try out. I have not even opened it yet. So I got this in PR and I have just let it sit there. So these are all Phlur hair and body fragrance mist. So they sent over 3 scents. One of them I already had. So what I'm gonna do is I am trying to put together like a really cute basket for my daughter's teachers. So since I already have beach skin, I think I'm gonna add this to one of their little gifts because I want to make them like a self-care type of gift. I feel like teachers do so much for our kids and I don't know, I've just been wanting to put together like a little basket before school is over. I just want them to kind of have like self-care and take some time for themselves because dealing with those kids, it's not easy. Okay, so the new ones, because I already own beach skin. So really quickly, the reason why they sent over beach skin is because they also came out with a beach skin shimmering body oil. So I already have the beach skin body mist. So beach skin has notes of bergamot, ozonic accord, and pink pepper at the top. The heart is solar accord, coconut, muguet, and melon. And the base is sandalwood, vanilla, and musk. Wait, I am so not going in order here. First off, let's focus on the body oil. All right, so this is the shimmering body oil and it says to apply a generous amount on damp skin, massage onto body until fully absorbed, can be used before applying fragrance to boost scent longevity. Give it all to me because ain't lasting here lately. Nothing is lasting me, you guys. Like, I'm having such a hard time. So this is supposed to be a silky yet lightweight body oil infused with floral oils, absorbs easily to nourish the skin. Golden light reflecting shimmer adds a luminous finish for a sun-kissed glow. So I do want to try this on my arm. Wow, this is gorgeous though. The shimmers in here, wow. I need to put some of this on my skin. So let's try it out really quickly. The shimmers in that oil, this literally looks like you poured diamonds into your skin. And when you start to spread it out, you guys, oh my god. Okay, this right here is gorgeous. The scent is amazing. I am so excited. So I did receive this in PR. This is amazing for me right now because perfumes are not really lasting on me and the ashiness here is on another level. If we forget to put lotion on, it's like a very big deal. Other times it's like, okay, I forgot to put lotion on today. No. You need to have lotion in your car, in your purse, everywhere. But this looks like it's going to keep the skin so beautiful and glowy. I can see the shimmer a little bit more now that the oil pretty much absorbed. This is really pretty. So I'm excited for this. I'm so happy to use it and see if it helps make my perfumes last. And it's perfect because it's a beachy scent and I know this summer I will be using a lot of perfumes that will smell really good combined with this. So thank you so much to Phlur. Now I want to get into the 2 body mists that I received. I literally got this in the mail today while I was getting ready to film, and these are 2 new fragrance mists. I don't know if they were already released. They're going to be available May 15th and it's going to be available on Phlur.com, Sephora, Sephora at Kohl's, and TikTok Shop, and also Sephora Canada. So we have 2 new fragrance mists from Phlur and we have one. You're probably already gonna know which one I like. So we're starting to figure out that I've always been like a freshy type of girl, but since living here, it's literally my personality because it just works here. So we have Island Swim. This is the one that I am probably the most excited about and I love the color of it. So Island Swim is described to feel like your first plunge into warm tropical water. The fragrance captures salty skin and sunlit waves, bright and effortless, zesty bergamot and citrus cut through soft coconut, while seaside florals drift through misty air, settling into smooth sandalwood and skin musk. Fresh, fluid, and free like a swim in the tropics. The top notes are bergamot splash, calamansi, and coconut. The heart is ocean mist, blue lavender, and plumeria. I love that because it's like different notes. I love that Phlur plays with different notes. I get tired of seeing like the same blackcurrant, orange blossom, jasmine, sandalwood, which don't even get me started on sandalwood. But anyway, this one does have sandalwood, but when I sprayed it when it got here, it was not prominent. So the base is sandalwood, marine amber, and skin musk. And it is in the floral, fruity, aquatic family. This has got to be the best fragrance mist that I have tried recently. Probably just the best fragrance in general. I'm going to mix this with my lower sublimity. I have so many ideas for summer. I'm just getting everything together, but I'm feeling it. This is salty. This is fresh. This is giving MAC Turquatic vibes. So if you like that, this to me is perfection. This is going to be my favorite mist for summer. I think I can already tell. Almost like a cologne. Almost. I would say this is unisex. I wouldn't say that this is feminine. This is definitely unisex. This is so good. This is like a day at the beach, a day at the pool. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that. This one, I don't think it's for me. And I think this, I'm also going to add to one of the teacher's gifts. So this one is Phlur Paradise Nectar. This is what I'm going to say about this one. If you're looking for a fragrance mist that smells like a perfume, this right here. Like that kind of like Parfums de Marly de Lina type of vibe. Very perfumey, very floral. So I'm gonna go ahead and read about Paradise Nectar. This is the scent of a seaside garden bursting with tropical freshness and soft floral blooms. Bright black currant and mandarin mingle with tuberose for a luminous glowing finish. It feels like warm coastal air brushing over sun-warmed petals, full of life and color. The notes are top blackcurrant, pink pepper, and mandarin. Heart is tuberose, jasmine, and lotus flower, and the base is patchouli, amber woods, and cashmere woods. What I am picking up the most in here is that patchouli and the amber, and it just came through as soon as I sprayed it. I don't want to say that that's what this smells like because I've noticed that living here, I feel like I don't get the entire scent because I feel like a lot of notes literally just evaporate into the air. So I did pick up a lot of the patchouli and a lot of the amber. It's a very strong floral feminine scent. So yeah, if you like floral perfumes and you want a fragrance mist that smells like it's going to really last, that one smells really strong. All right, before I move on with anything else, let's stay with the fragrance category. There is something that was released during the Sephora sale. As soon as I saw it, I was just like, this is something I need. So I just finished a Rosie by Rosie Jane perfume bottle. It's like a mini, like a half-ounce bottle. So I do want to purchase a full size of that perfume. But when I saw this, I could not believe it. You guys know I've been raving so much about the Noise Milk, like a milky toner for your skin. And it literally holds fragrance. It smells so good. I can smell it all day. And by Rosie Jane did just that. And they gave us a Rosie everyday body milk. Are you kidding me? I think this is going to be like the new trend, and I am not complaining about it because my skin is loving this type of product. So this is a body milk, and it is described as a light milky formula, offers instant hydration and helps to even skin tone. A toner and moisturizer combined tightens skin and leaves it silky smooth. Our everyday body milk instantly absorbs with no white cast. Feels like sleeping in silk sheets, and it's good for uneven texture and anti-aging. It has sunflower seed oil, curcuma, that's turmeric. Okay, so turmeric root for anti-aging and aloe vera to soothe and heal. So this actually sounds like body care but with fragrance, and this has like a little pump, so it's super cute. I really like this packaging. I need to get my hands on another bottle of this perfume so that I could layer them together, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be amazing. I did smell this, but I opened the cap. I didn't open the pump, but it smelled amazing. So let's take a look at the texture. This is how the texture looks. It's very runny, but I will say it's just a tad bit thicker than a milky toner. So it does have like a lotiony feel to it. Some hauls are just better than others. And this haul, I feel like it's Christmas today. It's so good. I feel like I'm loving everything. Look at this. Oh my God. And this scent, if you like skin scents, if you like all those scents that I rave about, like Not a Perfume, Rosie by Rosie Jane, Another 13, or 13 of Hearts from Juliana's Perfume, all of those perfumes that I'm always just constantly raving about, this is going to boost that up. And the way that this left my skin looking very hydrated and glowy, I'm loving it. So that's another product I'm very excited for. I have to tell you guys something that happened to me. I'm almost sure that I threw one of my Tatcha moisturizers into the recycle bin when I did my last empties. I was talking about the moisturizer and how much I love it, and I think I mixed it in and I got rid of it. And it was pretty much new because I had just opened it up. And I did not feel like buying another full size. So I did pick up the smaller one. And this is the Dewy Milk Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I did get the small one when this was released. And it lasted me a good amount of time. So I'm just going to have this one. Hopefully I won't lose it or throw it away. But I was pretty pissed. I looked for it for like weeks and I just can't find it anywhere, and I love that moisturizer. All right, let's talk about skincare. So for skincare, I stocked up on the Innisfree green tea enzyme vitamin C brightening toner pads. I think this is my third one. I love these. These offer a very light level of exfoliation. It's not going to be too harsh on the skin. I have very, very sensitive skin, but this is really nice because these toner pads are concentrated with vitamin C and green tea enzyme. So it helps to correct dark spots and to even the skin tone, which I have a lot of problems with. My skin is like in a very good place lately. I've been figuring it out, learning what it doesn't like, but I do struggle with hormonal acne still, so my chin almost every month has a breakout, so I need things to help brighten those spots. These next two products, every single time that I'm watching my favorite girls who talk about beauty and skincare and all of that over on TikTok, every time that I go on there to catch up with their videos and stuff, I somehow just see someone talking about these two products. So I have never tried these Summer Fridays jet lag eye patches. I heard that these are like the best eye patches ever. Only thing I don't like about this is that you only get, so this one brings 6 eye patches. Now I do love that they are packaged individually, so if you're traveling or if you're gonna go stay somewhere or you just need to grab something and go, it's so easy to just pick one up and throw it in a bag. So I really, really like this. And these are supposed to be hydrating. They are hydrogel eye patches powered by skin loving ingredients to help hydrate and soothe dry skin, depuff the eye. They help leave the under eye refresh, moisturize, and have a non-sticky after feel, making these patches the perfect prep for makeup. I'm gonna be keeping these here next to my other patches that I have right now from Rhode, and then I will try them both and see which ones I prefer. And then I also picked up the Gentle Reset Daily Exfoliating Pads, and I believe these also come individually. Yeah, this one brings a bunch more in there. So this one brings 30 pads, and they're supposed to be daily pads. I'm gonna start off with like one and see how that feels, but here is the description. So it says, experience the post facial feeling in an instant. Formulated in Korea for everyday use wherever you are, these pads help even skin tone and improve texture for soft, supple skin. So I'm very, very excited to try these next. Something else that I was just curious about, I don't know how this is gonna work, if I'm gonna like it or not, but it's a new release from Rhode, and this is the Caffeine Reset Recharge Sculpting Cream Mask. So this is supposed to, I think, depuff. So it is like a cup of coffee for your face. Our sculpting cream mask wakes up skin with a caffeine infused formula that energizes and depuffs to leave skin feeling instantly tighter and lifted. Sounds really nice. I want anything that will tighten up the skin because I am in my mid-30s now. The packaging is really cute. I cannot wait to try this out. The texture looks like it's really like cloudy, puffy. I don't even know how to describe it, but very excited to try this out. So this weekend I need to do like some skincare, self-care. And then for my hair, you guys, recently I tried I think it was like a bedhead, or I don't know what brand, got to be one of those brands, came out with a wax stick for your hair. I love to use wax sticks when I do my buns, which I have to do a lot now because of the gym. I'm always sweating, and I ran out of my Briogeo. I think this is literally like my 10th one of these. I think I use one like every couple months, but this is the Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Sleek Stick. I feel like nothing compares. I tried something else thinking, okay, this one's more affordable, maybe I could recommend like an affordable dupe. No. No le llegó ni a los tobillos. compared to this one. The reason why I like it so much is because when I wash my hair after using this, I can feel that this nourished my hair. It did not make it crunchy. It keeps your hair in place better than any other wax stick that I have ever used. Like, I just run it through and it leaves your hair soft, but it holds it in place. I can't be without this. It's a perfect formula because it's actually treating your hair while you style it. So yeah, this is probably like my 10th one. Now let's end this haul with some quick makeup products I picked up. I picked up two, I don't know why I keep on buying blush. I don't need any more blush. I don't. I saw these two formulas. I haven't tried them out, so I got one shade in each formula. I have gotten better at that, and I only pick up one shade of a product, and then if it becomes a favorite, I'll get other shades. But I did see this YSL Make Me Blush liquid blush. I've been looking at this for a minute. I take it out of my cart because I do find that it is a pricey blush, but I tried it and I didn't want to like it, which is what a lot of people say, but that's literally what happened. I tried it. I did not want to like this as much as I do. I got it in the shade 44. I think my last look that I did, I filmed using this blush, so my next look on my shorts should be using this blush, but it is the perfect like mauvey pinky shade, and I was shocked because when I started to blend it out, it literally just blends into the skin so beautifully, looks like second skin. I have no bad things to say about the formula. So we have another blush added to the collection. I think I have the powder version of this, so I have to pair them together. So I also picked up this Ilia Soft Focus Blurring Blush in the shade Glimpse. I have heard so many people rave about this blush, so I just had to pick it up. Here is the shade. For some reason, thought it was going to be a little bit more glowy than what it is. I feel like it's definitely more powdery. I'm loving it because it does kind of like mattify the skin. So here's the YSL one. Here's the Ilia one right here. So it does have a little bit of a glow, but it's not like super duper radiant and glowy. And these two paired together look really nice. So in that new look that I'm going to upload, I used this one too, I think. Next up, I picked up this Fenty Beauty Shake and Play Buildable Liquid Blush. And this is a new formula in their line. I picked it up in the shade Bo Peep. And I believe there was like 4 or 5 shades available. This color is gorgeous. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, that's the one I'm going to try out. I'm going to go ahead and... oh, I like that. It's like a little sponge. Okay, so there's a shade of this one, and it's right here. The formula feels really creamy, kind of radiant, and blends out very easy. I need to try this out next time I do my makeup. All right, so with that said, that brings me to the end of today's video. With the purchase that I did, the last one, they did have like this available, which I haven't gotten in a long time, but check at Sephora on the app. In the bottom, there's a little tab that says offers. Make sure that you always check that out before you check out. Sometimes they'll have like a deluxe sample bag or a fragrance bag or just so many different things. There are so many perfume samples in here. As you can see, there's even a mini Sol de Janeiro mist. I didn't really like that one. From what I remember, the lotion, I tried it in the store. It gave me a headache. All right, so that is it from me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's haul. Let me know which products caught your attention, if you've tried any of these, or if any of these are in your routine. I would like to know. With that said, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. They carve on my aesthetic. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic.